Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Well, Miss Lindsey just got finished celebrating her daughter's 13th birthday. She made cookies from scratch, and Lindsey really seems to be a great mom. She really loves her daughter. So check out this video. They're at the Hibachi Grill, and Lindsey's daughter is with her friends. They're having an amazing time. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it. Please. And subscribe. Bye.
Hi everybody. Okay, so we're currently here at the Hibachi Grill with Miley for her 13th birthday. Hey. And Emmeline and Kaylee celebrating Miley's 13th birthday with her.
Yeah, we look so silly.
No, y'all look great.
No.
So tell them what you've done today.
We went to the mall. We went to an escape room, which we escaped by ourselves, totally. And now we're at Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji's a very expensive hibachi grill. They did escape the escape room.
With a lot of help. Yeah, he stopped the timer.
Kaylee broke some of the clues. I did not go in because I wanted the girls to do it on their own.
Oh, y'all did that today?
They did that today.
Oh, that's great.
They literally just came from the escape room.
Hey, can we have some chopsticks?
Yes, we have to have chopsticks so we can eat appropriately.
Yeah, I don't even know how to use
Y'all need chopsticks.
I don't even know how to use chopsticks.
Oh, look. Wait. Dizzy Miss Lizzie said she found you a present today.
Thank you.
Oh, they said. Oh, and Miss Dub said get some yum yum sauce.
Always.
They did escape the escape room, but they actually have no idea like how they escaped the escape room. They can't tell me any of like the storyline behind it. Apparently, they just went with it.
That's a great idea.
They just randomly unlocked things.
And it worked. But we have not to like.
Dizzy Miss Lizzie says it involves an album, and she can't wait for you to get it. Oh yeah, Miley made an Amazon wish list so that if anybody wanted to send her presents.
We helped her pick it out because we are really good. Great friends. Yes.
They picked out things from what was it? Bracelets, hair clips.
Yeah, a lot of different pillows.
Oh, let's see here. One Good Days. Oh wait, no. Wait. Oh, Miss Dub said her daughter's going to 8th grade. And are y'all excited for school to start?
Yeah.
Yes?
Not really, but I mean, like, it's just stressful. It's boring just like being without seeing people though. And waking up early. I'm not a morning person.
Kaylee's not. Kaylee's like, no. Everybody's like, yeah, it's cool, and Kaylee's like, no.
Not seeing people's boring. It's like when I'm quarantined. Like I love going to school and seeing all the boys. Like I go to school.
Seeing all the boys. That's what you want to go to school for?
That's the only reason I go. I use the boys aren't usually hard. Some of the boys aren't. Yeah.
Yes, it is their last year in middle school. Everybody's going into 8th grade, right? What are y'all gonna think about going to high school?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Oh, look, she said that you're my twins. We're twins. Lots of happy birthdays. Yes, Molly Grace is a Leo, and I think her zodiac sign actually describes her like perfectly. As a Leo. I'm a Pisces. What is y'all zodiac signs?
Libra Aquarius. What's Libra?
Okay, so Kaylee doesn't know hers.
I mean, I think mine's Aquarius. Is that Capricorn?
Yes, that's the zodiac sign. Capricorn?
Yeah, I'm a Capricorn.
Okay, Kaylee just changed her zodiac sign.
Kaylee's a Capricorn. She went from Libra to Capricorn.
Libra to Capricorn, just that fast. Okay. Anything else y'all want to say to Instagram?
Where did you get chopsticks from?
Oh, God.
Well, good thing you have chopsticks, so you just dropped your
How
fork.
do you
Just
even
go
use chopsticks?
and do the wish list for Molly because God is
Wait, 9 of 1 said get a job. I have a job. Are you talking to 12-year-olds? Oh, I'm sorry. 13-year-olds?
we're all 13 now.
That's mean. That is mean.
Hey, actually,
We really need a job, so if you got a job for us, hit us up.
I'm
don't need a
sorry to
job.
tell y'all that in the state of Mississippi, it is illegal for you to work.
I play 6 sports. I don't got time.
how do you use these?
Okay, hold it like this.
Molly, you don't even do your own chores. You don't need a job. You can't, We're not ready. Molly's not ready for a job yet.
No. Hey, I vacuum floors. I'm so proud of you.
Oh, Jackie wants to know what part of January you were born because each month has 2 zodiac signs.
It's stuck together.
What's your birthday, Kaylee? What birthday? What's your day?
January 19th.
January 19th. Does anybody know what zodiac sign is January 19th? Let's see. The internet will know.
Always. I don't know
Wait, how you help get y'all's apart?
You have to pull it apart, Kaylee. Just pull them apart.
How do you get
Oh, how did you break chopsticks? Like how? Oh. Football Freak said you are a Capricorn. I mean, really, you just created a weapon. Oh wait, no, Pisces Queen said that's an Aquarius. Okay, guys.
Okay, so just like pretend like you didn't break it.
Capricorn. Okay, it seems that Capricorn is the overwhelming answer. So you are a Capricorn.
How do you?
Ashley wants to know what shampoo I use. So I'm an Arbonne like obsessee. I only use Arbonne hair products. I just signed up to start selling Arbonne because you get discounts if you sell their stuff. You get 35% off. So officially I sell Arbonne even though I've never sold Arbonne. Kaylee's now attempting to use chopsticks with 2 hands. Yeah.
This soup is nasty.
No, it's not.
This soup is nasty. I don't even want to try it. What is that, like mushrooms?
I like it.
Mushrooms are nasty.
They're not even French, I think.
It's a bit hot.
You sounded British. It's a bit hot.
It's a bit cool.
Wait, do you have to use the pinky thing?
Oh, here
Yeah,
comes
use
our
your pinky.
person. Here comes our person.
Oh, our person's here.
Y'all want to see our hibachi for a second? Are we having fun, Amberlicious? Do what now? Yes. Steak and shrimp. Yeah. And then chicken steak. Do what?
How would you like to cook it?
Medium well. I didn't understand him. I felt bad. If we were at the Mexican restaurant, I could have spoke Spanish, but I can't speak this. I don't understand.
No, don't stab me.
I thought you were using your hair like a chopstick.
Stab you back.
Oh, here comes the yum. Is that the yum yum sauce?
Funsies. It looks so cool.
She said funsies.
Funsies. See, he's cool. I like him.
Do you dip that like blue?
Probably kill somebody.
All 3 of them just scooted back.
Why do you think he's getting
That was great. That was fantastic. I'm so glad I was on camera. At this point, I'm not really sure if I want to watch hibachi or want to watch the girls watching the hibachi. I think my vote's going to be for the girls. I don't know. Let's see.
You are. Sometimes.
Miley tried to fry an egg the other day. How did that go?
I burnt it.
She she burnt a fried egg. Actually, she burnt numerous fried eggs.
I think I burned 4 of them.
How many eggs did you go through?
4.
But the dog was really happy.
Was.
Oh, Molly, Miss Doubles know how the cookies were.
The cookies were great.
Apparently they tasted better than they looked, because they look nothing like the picture, y'all.
They were good.
Yeah, I brought some to church this morning. I did try. I tried so hard. Alright, guys.
It smells like dog.
I will definitely ask him for a volcano whoopie chef. Although I'd love to stay on with y'all all night, so I can now go live. I'm gonna have to jump off to spend the rest of my birthday with my baby girl and her friends. Everybody say bye to Instagram. And I have posted a link to Molly's wish list if you do want to buy her any birthday presents. Please don't ask to send me money. It's just kind of weird. Buy something directly for her. All right, thanks guys.
You're not gonna be able to fight it.
You gotta do more than that. Okay. Emmeline, okay. Who can eat rice with chopsticks? Happy birthday, Miley. We're just there at his amazement.
I'm not.
Dear Miley. Happy birthday to you.
That's like the 6th time today.
Okay, at the end of the night, after our party, when I went to pay the bill, we found out that someone had paid the entire bill for us. And we don't know who it was, they wouldn't tell us. But whoever paid a very large amount of money for the girls and me to eat hibachi, we want to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
We greatly, greatly appreciate all of the blessings everyone's been pouring out towards us. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thanks.